And you open this up. All right, and you just put a couple of tablets in here.
So a couple, not just one, huh?
Yeah. In the summertime, you could put 4 or 5 of them in there, but you don't need a high chlorine level now. So
How long does it normally last before you got to change out or add more?
well, you got hot water, so that's going to make it go a little bit.
A little bit, okay.
And you got a clear lid, so you'll be able to see as they dissolve
Okay.
what they look like.
So
And
you just always want a tablet in there?
I put 2 in.
In summer, you might want more. It sounds like
See
maybe more like
this little
3.
thing, how it's moving, it's floating?
Mm-hmm.
That's going up high.
Mm-hmm.
You just want to barely let it float.
Barely let it float, okay.
Yeah. That's good. That's
So
all
that
you
barely
need.
let it float, you just adjust the
Just
dial.
adjust the dial.
Okay.
And that's showing how much water is there?
There's water going through it, which is dissolving the tablets and then going back into the pool.
Okay.
So the ozonator, as soon as you turn the pump on, the ozonator is doing its job. This should be, they should have a glowing lamp or light. You'll see it blue. So something might not be right with the electricity. If everything's right with the electricity and your electrician's saying it's got power, then I'm gonna get Robbie to come back and check out the. But we have to make sure it's got good power to it. Yeah, if Robbie would have been here today, I would have. But he's not. He's not in town. So.
No worries.
But okay, so we're finished vacuuming the pool. We're gonna put it back on your normal setting.
Okay.
Okay.
When you change the chlorine tab, it needs to be on this setting as well?
No, it can
No.
do it. Just turn this
Yes, sir.
off.
Yeah.
Just turn that off, and then you can take this out. Okay.
Okay.
But you can set it like that, and it's.
And then I guess the question with the tablet, you should always see one in there.
You should always have one in there. Yes.
Okay. And then
'Cause that's-
summertime it just goes through them quicker.
Yeah, because as it gets hot, sunnier, it's gonna need the chlorine's gonna need to be a little bit more because the sun's sitting there trying to steal the chlorine in the hot middle.
Would we need to keep the water flow going through it?
A little, yeah, you can just bump it up a little
During
bit.
the summer
Yeah.
months?
And see, I only buy them 50-pound, 100-pound buckets, but so I just put them in a Ziploc. But you could buy like a 10-pounder. It should last you 2 or 3 months.
Okay. Gotcha.
Okay, so on your normal setting, let's go back to normal. Okay, we're gonna leave the waterfall on.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna suck from only the baby pool.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm just gonna shut this down,
Okay.
and everything's right.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so come over here now.
Okay. Stop the video.